Yes, money isn't all that matters in life, but it is a tool that determines the kind of life that you will live. Money helps you to have more control over your life, more freedom to carve out your path, and fewer constraints on your choices. Having money gives you less financial worries. It also helps you to build a good life for you and your family, give back to your community and other charitable organizations as a way of supporting people who can't afford a pleasant experience. Henry David Thoreau, an American essayist, poet, and philosopher, said, "Wealth is the ability to experience life fully." Again, having money enables you to live life to the fullest, enjoy adventures and textures and taste, make the most of the years you've got to live. Do I still need to go on and on about the importance of money? Anyway, rather than going on about how important money is as a tool, let's talk about some of the wonderful ways you can make money, whether passive income or not. In this video, I'll share with you 9 weird and wonderful ways to make money. If you're new here, consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on exciting videos like this. 1. Create video content. Can you recall the countless number of short videos and comedy skits that you've watched online? You probably became a massive fan of some of your favorite celebrities and online influencers because you came across some of their content. Well, it's time to take a cue from them. It's time to become a video content creator, whether it is DIYs, comedy skits, etc. If you've got a good camera and a super cool idea, then let's get to work already. You don't need props. You don't need a perfect script. The only thing you need to make this idea work is to figure out what you want your content to do to others. For instance, do you want them to laugh? Do you want them to feel inspired and motivated? Do you want them to feel good about themselves? When you know what exactly you want your content to do to people, it becomes easy to come up with some of the best ideas to help you create the best kind of content. Once you're done creating the videos, post it on your YouTube channel and your social media pages to increase the number of views on your channel. As soon as your videos begin to hit high views on YouTube, brands will start paying attention to you so that they can work with you. Now that's where the money lies. Brands will want to pay you to help them advertise their product via your video content and your YouTube channel. 2. Start a dropshipping website. By 2021, it's expected that 2.14 billion people will be shopping online, and that will be the highest number ever. I think this should give you more than enough reason to consider starting your e-commerce store now, dropshipping particularly. Here's the thing with dropshipping. You don't have to source and store inventory. All you have to do is build a website, contact certain manufacturers so that you can add products to your website that come from them. When a person purchases that product, it ships from the manufacturer to the person without getting involved directly. You pay for the products but earn more than the sales price. Once your site is built and marketed correctly, you can start making money even while you sleep. 3. Sell your products. One of the best parts of selling your products is that you are in complete control of it. From the creation, marketing, and selling process, you are your boss here. However, in creating a product to sell, make sure you make something valuable to people. Otherwise, you will end up wasting money incurred in production. If you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or a dropship website, marketing is made easy for you. You can use any of these platforms, especially if you have successfully built a good following. But if not, you can pay to have it marketed on a popular platform to drive in sales. 4. Take photographs and sell it. Do you consider yourself a good or professional photographer who knows how to capture some specific details? Whether your specialty is taking pictures of objects, animals, models, events, nature, holiday sites and locations, etc. It doesn't matter. You should turn your photography skills into a money-making business. Take impressive photos and then upload them to a stock photography site like iStockPhoto or Shutterstock. Over time, some of your images will be sold and used in publications and other places, and when that happens, you earn a bit of income. It can serve as an excellent medium to create passive income. 5. Become a Netflix tagger. Have you ever taken time to wonder how Netflix knows what to suggest to you next? Well, some people are paid to be Netflix taggers. They are mostly paid to watch shows all day and tag them with suitable keywords that will match them up with viewers with particular taste. The downside of this job is that you'll have to endure a lot of old movies from the 80s. However, on the other hand, you'll get to see all the latest Netflix originals first. I mean, what else sounds more fun than being paid to watch TV all day from the comfort of your house? 6. Start a podcast or blog. Podcasts can be incredibly enjoyable for the person listening to it and the person recording as well. The same thing goes for a blog. As long as you're providing people with the kind of content that they'd love to listen to and read. Like owning a YouTube channel, when you start providing the kind of content that your target audience will be interested in, you'll begin to gain more audience. When this happens, you can start making money by collaborating with brands or helping startups advertise their business on your platform. Note that the real value comes from recording a lot of podcasts or writing a lot of blog posts so that people who will find you and are interested will stick around, watching more of your videos or reading more of your posts. 7. Sell old items. Opening a thrift store is another weird and wonderful way to make money. If you have used clothes, bags, shoes, pieces of jewelry, electronics, and the likes that you are no longer interested in, an excellent way to get rid of them will be to sell them, especially if they are still intact. The good thing about this business is that there is no financial investment at all. If you find someone who wants the item, you can make money. If you can't, then just get rid of the item again. It's not a significant investment after all. 8. Rent out your spare room. If you have a vacant room or two in your house, a good idea will be to rent it out. That way, you can earn more money and gain a housemate that can turn out to be a great company. Think about students who don't need long-term accommodation. They'll make the right target audience for this purpose. 9. Become a food stylist. Are you a food lover? Do you like taking pictures of food? Well, we have a job for you. Have you ever wondered how people manage to make foods and adverts look tastier than it really is? Or how they manage to make the food look fancier than yours, even if you use the same recipe and method? You see, the art of arranging food to make it look way tastier than it is a respected career in the culinary world. While some food stylists have a culinary art degree, others begin as professional photographers with an eye for making food look fabulous. Some of the techniques stylists use to make food look good include spraying food with water and sugar to make it catch the light, and even injecting it with water to plump it up. To start this business, you can learn a few things online and take some courses to qualify as a food stylist. When brands begin to notice how good you are with your styling, they'll hire you to help them create beautiful pictures using their products. Note that because you can take a cute picture of your lunch or breakfast doesn't automatically make you a food stylist. You have to learn some of the tricks and techniques that you can use to make foods look incredibly tasty. So, maybe you should consider taking available online courses for a start. Thank you very much for watching our videos. If you like this video, watch more videos on our channel and subscribe. We love you.